What's up, guys? It's Lee here, the bartending, photo boothing, rental guy, and today we're going to talk about DIY pipe and drape backdrops. Specifically, how to make extendable uprights all by yourself using tools not from a rental company. Let's get into it. Okay, before we get into it, first of all, you're probably thinking, why do I need to get into pipe and drape? Well, if you have a rental company and you've ever noticed that you're giving out rentals and inside their vehicle, they've already got some pipe and drape from another company, that's a good way to notice that you are going to need some pipe and drape. Whether it's just a little bit, so that you're able to make sure that they're not going to your competitors to get those few things, or if it's just a lot so you can start doing trade shows. Pipe and drape is for you. It's one of those essential things that people aren't going to go out and buy themselves, but they will definitely rent. No one's going to go out and buy chairs. They're always going to rent them. Same thing for pipe and drape. No one's going to go out and buy pipe and drape. Especially large quantities of it, they're always going to rent. So if you have it on hand, it's an item that's going to go out. I found this out too late in the game, but I'm making up for lost time by adding it now. So I've got these black banjo drapes. These are 8 feet tall, but I also offer 12 feet tall. And then I also have white sheer drapes that I'm using as well, because that's more of a wedding style backdrop. So last year, remember when there was COVID was going on and I was at that Christmas house and they had all that pipe and drape up in the background? Well, I did a little bit of detective work on the pipe and drape and I figured out that the rental company supplying it, actually most of it was homemade. So take a peek at the homemade pipe and drape that they made. So I went ahead and I ordered some base plates, some pins, some uprights, some crossbars, and some drapes. And then I realized, oh my gosh, there's different uprights. And so there's uprights that go taller than 8 feet so that you can get really high up. And those are called adjustable uprights, like seen here. Guess what? Those adjustable uprights aren't cheap. So I was shopping at Canadian Tire like I always do. And look what I found. I know, you're probably like, what are those? What they are is the distant relative of adjustable uprights, aka pool net handles. Today I made some pipe and drape uprights out of swimming pool handles. Right here, I've got 2 uprights that I made because the swimming pool handles had just a little bit difference of pole radius. Okay, so this is an original pipe and drape pin for 1.5 inch this way, and it goes around a 14 by 16 inch metal plate. So it just screws into the bottom there. I had to go shopping and I found that 7/8 inch deep sockets actually fit into these poles. Bam, deep socket, same size, bolts on. So I went to Bolt Supply House and then I found the correct bolt so that I can bolt this bad boy into the plate to get the extendo pole to convert to the pipe and drape plate, the base plate. 7/8 inch deep sockets actually fit into these poles. So what I did is I got a pipe cutter and I cut the poles to the right length. And then I found where you need to have holes for the crossbars to clip in at the top, and I drilled those out. And now they fit nice and tight inside the base plates to make a pipe and drape backdrop. And the nice thing about these is that extendable poles are expensive, but these are fairly cheap. So you can convert these pool handles into extendable uprights to make larger backdrop uprights. So I have some pipe and drape panels here. These are called banjo. It's a curtain, basically. The curtain, these ones are 8 feet tall and they've got a loop sewn into them. And the reason why you want to have them thin like this is so that you can easily wash them. This crossbar extends from 6 feet to 10 feet, and then I'm going to just attach it inside the uprights. If you're doing a 10-foot section, depending on how gathered you want your curtains to be, you may need up to 5 panels. And voila. See, I'm just right behind it here, standing about 12 feet tall, so I'm just going to go to this, stand on the ladder here, and I'm going to take it down. Is unscrew this, And bam, goes down to 8 feet. Go ahead and take the other one down on the other side. And there you have it. Extendable uprights DIY for pipe and drape, made out of pool handles. You saw it here first. I'm the bartending, photo boothing rental guy. Follow my channel if you want to see more videos like this. If you've already followed and you like this idea, give it a thumbs up. We'll see you on the next one. And as always, you stay classy. Will you marry me? What's up, guys? It's Lee here from DIY Wedding, and today I just want to reveal our Marry Me letters that you can download the blueprints for and build yourself. So if you're looking for a unique way to ask your loved one, will you marry me? Check out our Will You Marry Me plans. Check out our Marry Me letters that you can build yourself. Link in the description.